Well, I'm out here in the kitchen. All these little doodads up there I found while fishing. I mean, not the chef's hat, but I found like a DOT hat. I found a old vintage, like, I don't know, looks like a cooler, toys and stuff like that. But found a bunch. I usually collect them. Collect what I find if it's interesting. Not everything. Not usually find like one crock or a hat or something. But this video is a couple days of fishing, Lake Hiawassee and Lake Nantahala, and practicing for a tournament on Lake Hiawassee. Just started fishing there. Really never fished it before. Kind of a really cool lake. Like to introduce the Appalachian Kayak Fishing League to my channel. This is a really good group of guys. Look them up. They do a real unique tournament format. You have 5 days to fish the tournament. So you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to fish the tournament. And it's just the tournament director is Jason Moore. He's a really good guy. I mean, it's a really cool format. For me, when I work on the weekends, I'm a chef. I can actually compete for a AOI, so which is really neat. Just to warn you guys, these guys are hammers. The club is growing. We're getting new members. We got a few new members last week. Small club, but it's a really good group of guys. Great fishermen, fishing different lakes than I really don't fish, like Lake Blue Ridge, Lake Notley's coming up. I fish it too quite a bit, but man, Lake Hiawassee, this really cool. It's a really nice lake, a really cool lake. Doesn't get a lot of fishing pressure. It's kind of a neat lake. That's why I love these little these little leagues, because I get to fish new lakes I've never fished before, and expand my horizons, become a better angler. So enjoy this little video, and I'll keep track. I'm gonna practice one more time next week and fish the tournament on Wednesday. Well, we're out here on Lake Hiawassee fishing with Derek out here. That's a nice one, about an 18-incher chunk. Let's see. $17.25. $17.25. Let's let him go. There you go, girl. Giant spot. Not quite the PB. Good one, fat one.
Yeah, he's good.
I bet this is a 21. This is what I wanted you to catch. Look at this thing. This is so genetically fucking beast.
Almost 19?
19 on the tippy tips.
You're fishing on the bottom, or?
Yeah, I was just dragging that kayak on the bottom. Big old smallmouth. Big.
Good. All right, let's get him in the water.